Prolube just sent us this oil treatment. So if you're someone like me who does their own oil changes and services your own vehicle, then I definitely recommend this Prolube oil treatment. Whether you're doing an oil change, transmission, or gearbox, this covers you. So you don't have to go and buy 3 different products for three different projects. The nice thing about this is you already add it to the oil that you bought, and depending on your vehicle, it's going to depend on how much you add, whether if you have a huge semi-truck, a big truck like this, or a car, or even a race car. The cool thing about it is it's going to be able to increase your mileage, protect against cold starts, help oil to stop breaking down so much, and overall just protect your investment. If you got a big truck like this, it's expensive, and you don't want it to break, especially for me because I'm constantly using it for business, and if this truck goes down, then I'm gonna have a bad day. So it comes in a couple different sizes. We got the 1 gallon right here, the 1 quart, and the 16 ounces right here. I'd recommend getting the 1 gallon. It's gonna last a lot longer. And if you're someone who services your vehicle like me, you're gonna be using it all the time. So yeah, if you wanna make your investment last longer, then I definitely recommend this Prolube engine oil treatment.